All right. As far as the S&P goes, let's break this down real quick. Sell-off. Mad sell-off. Again, panic in the streets. It's been nuts. That alert went off. I don't know why, who put that alert there, or why someone would go long, but I did. I'm long right now. I did just buy the dip. I'll even tell you when. It was right before the stream. At 6:35 and 18 seconds. Anyway, so it's up. It needs to continue. All right. So the reason why I went long, if you just look at the S&P, you're thinking, holy crap, that's a reversal candle for sure. But I like to watch the futures because this again is like reading Harry Potter, but only reading the odd pages or only reading the even. You would still know the story. You get it's like, boy, he's got a little lightning bolt. You don't say the other guy's name. They fight later. No one saw that coming. But there's a lot of details you'd leave out, which is why I don't care for this ETF. That's why I usually poke fun at it. It's easy to troll people too. So as far as the futures go, no, not really that reversal candle. Just kind of we got a little bit overbought-ish, all-time highs. We sold off. We hit this zone. Again, that alert is where I went long. I am long ES right now. Tomorrow. So my stop is actually below this green candle right here, right below that wick. I got plenty of room. I don't want to tag out overnight. I feel like tomorrow's going to be probably a nothing day. A little bit of a dead cat bounce. Hopefully a nothing week next week. Probably just a bunch of choppiness. The volume just didn't really seem like it was there today. Like when I was looking at it, it just wasn't moving. These candles look big. If you watched it real time, it just didn't really have that urgency. Yeah, like your little 15-minute candle. And it was kind of just a little bit of a grind down. Not too much panic. When we're hopping and skipping and jumping, at that point, yeah, I'm thinking it's time to get on board. All right. As far as expected moves go, we tried our best to get to the lower. I'm willing to bet the week is nothing. As far as the NASDAQ goes on the weekly candle, that is a reversal candle. Anyway, daily, again, all-time highs, pulled back into the zone, juiced up some puts for people to sell those. That's kind of all there is to it. Just ran right to that box and stopped. All these weird coincidences on these charts. Hang on. There's a lot on this chart, so we're just going to cross some of these off. Yeah, for now, I again, dip buy. Personally, I think a little bit overbought, reined it back in, smack dab in the middle, right ahead of a retail week. You know, it wouldn't surprise me if they're getting just a head start to Memorial Day weekend and some institutions just close the positions. So instead of a take profit Friday, it was just a take profit Thursday, and there's going to be no one trading tomorrow. Ahead of a holiday week like this, most of your action is going to be the first 30 minutes tomorrow. After that, it's going to be a ghost town. I doubt you even get your weekend warrior group right around the last 30, 45 minutes. Not to say it can't happen. I would just be surprised if we did. The Russell of all of them actually looked, I thought, the strongest. The way it was just more of a controlled push up, just a little bit up, or up, and then a little bit down, up, a little bit down. Today we got the actual breakdown of that. This particular one, I would wait. I would wait for the zone to buy the dip on this one. As far as the expected moves, we are outside of it. So the question now is, do we rein this thing back in, or do we possibly go for that 2 spot? I do have the expected move. Give me 1 second. What do we got? Okay, 201.26. All right, so now it is. All right, hang on. There we go. Oh, shoot, I didn't. Close enough. For 6 cents off. Remember, you inside here. It's you and the institutions. When we get outside this line and we cross that, it's you, the institutions, and the market makers. There are now 3 people playing chess. And you don't know that third person could be on your side, could not be. You never know. That's what makes it fun.